Sometimes it's really hard to find inspiration and find characters that are really connecting to us. But if you're feeling drained out, here is one of the things that I do. Once I like something, I just try to make something that relates to me, like this girl and two girls holding each other into a cuddle. It just connected to me. It just makes me feel like everyone in this world needs someone else to hold, and everyone is kind of going through their own stuff and wants someone to hold themselves. So this is something that is close to my heart that I felt connected to, and I recreated it in my own terms, like added some touches of myself, and I'm pretty happy with it. Also, the difference of colors of both the girls shows how different they are emotionally and spiritually. The spirits are different, their colors are different, the souls are different. They are connected by just a simple cuddle and a comfort, which actually is just it in this world. I feel like two people are connected with comfort with each other. No matter how much scrolling you do, you only feel happy when you're with that one person. So, this piece of art really connected with me, and I tried to create my own version of it, and I'm pretty happy with it.